Yeah, sure. We're Auckland-based, based on the North Shore. We specialise in high-end homes and light commercial, something we've been doing for the last 10 or so years. So we find that that's what we try to keep most of our effort into. No, so there's a team of us. There's 6 of us in total. We've got 3 technicians, a lady in the office, and a few apprentices running around. Been a Halo member for just over a year now. So this will be my second conference. I think I joined a few months before the first conference, so yeah, absolutely just loving it. Halo to me, as I'm a small business, is the buying power. It gives me the opportunity to be buying materials at a rate that I wouldn't be able to get my hands on. Also networking. Justin puts me in the position to be surrounded by like-minded people. And I think just, any small business, it's just, if you don't have these tools, you've got to get someone around you that can give them to you. So the training sessions I'm doing with Michael, so he helps us through like the business advisory, shows us tools of how to maximize profit, where to spend money and how to get things back. So just really invaluable. So I learned a lot from the conference today. Lots of the big suppliers that you don't get to speak to. Obviously we buy our stuff through merchants and then they get their gear from the supplier. So just getting in touch with these guys, seeing how things are made, operations behind it, it's pretty cool.